Eurasian water milfoil is a nasty weed choking thousands of North American lakes.
This plant is one of our biggest arch enemies in lake management.
It spreads from lake to lake like a virus when boat owners neglect to clean, drain, and dry their boats before moving from one lake to another. Because it's spreading so rapidly, a war has been declared against this invasive species. In some lakes, heavy artillery grinds the weeds to bits. Sometimes, volunteers pull them out with their bare hands. And as a last resort, chemicals are used to bring milfoil to its death.
It can be toxic to invertebrates, so if you are using it year after year after year, you're affecting the food web in the lake.
We tried for 2 years with chemical treatment unsuccessfully and decided we had to do something else.
So Doc Doherty and his neighbors on Lake Holcomb in Chippewa County, Wisconsin, are raising miniature soldiers to kill the invasive weeds, the tiny milfoil weevil.
Usually around 1 weevil per stem is enough to pretty much guarantee you that you're going to get control of your milfoil.
The milfoil weevil is a native water bug that loves to feed and propagate on Eurasian water milfoil. But the weevils are fragile. Some species of fish eat them. Conditions have to be just right for the insect to survive year after year. And stalking is extremely expensive. That's why some have given up on using the weevil to fight the war with Eurasian water milfoil. But not Amy Thorstensen, and not the homeowners of Lake Holcomb. With the help of the Wisconsin DNR, Amy is teaching the homeowners how to raise their own weevils and to carefully plant them in their lake. They started with just 700 weevils. After a summer of raising and feeding them, the population grew to 7,000, all of which are strategically placed among the lake's existing milfoil. A number of states have stopped funding their research of the milfoil weevil, but the Wisconsin DNR and the residents of Lake Holcomb feel the evidence is too alluring to give up hope. So planting the tiny insects in their lake is a risk they're willing to take in their daily battle against Eurasian water milfoil, just one of the many silent invaders.